Hi, good morning. How do you do? Welcome back to a brand new day and a new vlog. Yeah, David said, "This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it." I'm going to do a deep clean with me because ever since we moved here, when we moved in here, we couldn't do a properly cleaning. Yeah, because we were time pressed. So today I have gotten some two ladies to assist me because nature has a morning shift. Guys, my gum, they hurt. Last week it used to be this side, the right side, but today left and also it hurts anyway. So I have two ladies to assist me with that. Nature has a morning shift, so that's basically what I'll be up to today. My neighbor is traveling to Accra, so he's coming to deposit his 3 kids with me. So it's going to be 4 children, yeah, 4 under 10, yeah, that is the trend. So I'm also going to have 4 under 10 kids with me today. It's going to be fun but tiring, I know. So this is my shoe rack, and this thing here, I don't know how it offended Sister Enyunyam. Lately, wearing my shoes is the order of the day. She has become so fond with it, so she picks any of them and drop it wherever she wants. So guys, this is my washroom. I want to formally introduce you to my washroom. This is how it is. This is how it is. But guys, it is not spacious, so when you bath, you don't feel it, unlike the traditional African the normal bathroom where you can stretch your hands and be exercising as you bath. It's not like that. So for about a month now, I have avoided this space, and also because of this small hole here. So yeah, you have to clean. I hate it. So that is it. And then over here, as you can see, this place needs a touch. Abna brought us this soap. We are using one at the other bathroom, and guys, you need one. Yes, you need one because it is super thick and it lathers so well. I love the honey. You can perceive the honey in it. So I'll be doing touches here and there. This time, the Russian water. So this is my the water I use in brushing my face, in washing my face and brushing my teeth. So this is it. This one I'm not doing it. I have not done this intentionally. Abna came to meet it like this, and she was even trying to organize it, you see. And Abna came in. This was my sleeping area, yeah, because the 3rd bedroom, we've converted it into a storeroom. So I've been sleeping here. It's been a Sunday. Today is a week since Abna left, but I still sleep here, and my family have decided to join me here. We made this indoor drying line during the rainy season. See where we look at this. I've had these leaves close to 2 months to make fantedokno, but look at me. It's not easy. You know by now that I love to stock up. So in the beginning of the year, I made 2 buckets each of fabric softener and dishwashing soap. So the other bucket is the leftover of the fabric softener, and this happens to be that of the dishwashing soap. And I know that this can last me for the whole year. So next year, God willing, I will make a new one. Farm, I have to employ my 4 under 10, because if you ask me how the bees got here, they can explain better than myself. Ghanaian musician by name Amachi Dede sang, "To be a man now," but for me I will say, "To be a woman a quadruple." This is me after God knows how long. It's been a very tiring and a long day. Sincerely, I've been working since morning, but you see, there are days that you know you are working. You have worked from morning till night, physically, mentally, emotionally, but when you are asked, it will be as if said it's just cleaning, yet you have spent the whole day on it. Guys, it's not easy. It's not easy. I initially wanted it to be a clean with me, just cleaning, the cleaning aspect, but those of you with children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids, how do you do it? Because I need tutorials on how to. It is not easy. Guys, how are you doing? Especially those of you abroad, how are you doing it? I could not show you. The ladies came. Yeah, they came all right, but I was busy, so busy with the kids that I couldn't even capture them. Also because I did not tell them that I am on YouTube. I think one way or the other they know from school, and when they came here they saw the ring lights and the rest, but I need to officially tell them that this is what I do and ask for their permission before I can feature them. I've been working, cooking, tidying. You go and settle a disagreement, you go and settle a quarrel. There's one particular child who works with Al Jazeera, so anything, auntie, the next minute, auntie, the next minute, the next mothers. Me teacher mama, I salute you all. Please educate me in the comment section how you are doing it. Their parents are still not back. It's past 8 p.m. I have engaged them on Mommy's tablet. Yeah, we subscribe for a weekend bundle for Mommy every weekend. So that is what they are feeding their eyes on at the moment, guys. I am tired. I want to end the vlog here. I appreciate your time with me. I appreciate your support. I don't take it for granted. God bless you. God bless you. Yes, I like chewing steak. I like it so much. I sometimes in the afternoon I'll just put a little bit and be chewing it like a gum in the afternoon. I love it, especially the esono, not the there are 2 types. One is sticks together, yeah, and then the other one loose, not that one, but this one is the correct triapia. Yeah, it's the correct triapia. So guys, thank you so much. Until I grace your screens again, I pray that whenever you say a prayer, you don't forget to say one for me and my family. And I live with the peace and the message of the Most High. Peace. Yeah. Say shalom and chop peace.